I was messing around with them and I came up with this little wall hanging. So I used these fitting ribbons to kind of be like almost like a flower or sunflower for fall. So like they're still kind of sticky or still have a little bit of stabilizer in them. You could just kind of go rinse some more. Sometimes it's not bad to leave a little bit in it because it makes it a little stiffer, depending on what kind of project you're going to do with them. I also have, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce it right, but it's called Tarot Magic. All right, so I have all sorts of things here because I just wanted to talk about different ways that you could use the designs that you came up with. So these are the ones that I did. They're all dry now. So they're, and they're kind of pieced of blocks. So I already did two. I'm going to do two more. And all I'm doing is, and again, this has got a fusible on one side. So you want to make sure that that is up. Okay, so while those are pressing, I thought I would show you, this is what I put together so far. So this is actually a full kit that you can buy, and they give you all the pre-cut squares for it. And then an applique. All right, here's what I came up with. So I went ahead and put the little pocket on there with a little bit of lace and did the freestanding lace here. And then
I did the same process on these earrings as I did on the snowflake, which is still drying. I did two up in the hoop, and I did only use a single sheet of the stabilizer. I felt like it just wasn't necessary to use a secondary sheet. Again, at your discretion. Do them more of a natural, not too rigid, which is kind of why I used only the one sheet of stabilizer when I originally stitched them out. I think the more movement they have, the more natural they feel and the more comfortable they are to wear. All right. Well, I'm just going to add a few just to add a little something to catch the light. But now it is ready to be hung from a tree or a fireplace or anywhere you think you want to add a little extra something.